What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download voice messages from Messenger. So, in this case, you might be wondering how do you exactly do so. So this one is fairly easy. So first things first, you want to go to facebook.com and just log in into your account. And once you've logged in, what we need to do next is we want to access the actual chat. So we want to go and open up your Messenger here and access the, in this case, chat that you have the message that you want to download. So next thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and inspect your website here. So you want to right click on the empty spaces that you see here on your website. You want to go and choose the option here. It says inspect. Now from here at the very top, you want to click on network. And in here, while it's actually open, what we need to do is we want to go and click on our chat here. Click on the drop down button next to the name. You want to click on open in Messenger. Now this will load a bunch of things in your Messenger here, and what you're looking for is something called media. Now you want to go and right click on it, click on open in new tab, and you should be able to see the recording. Now you go and click on the three-dotted option, click on download in order for you to download the message. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.